What's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do a hard flip the easiest possible way. Before you learn how to do a hard flip, you need to know how to do a kick flip and a front shove. So the first thing you need to know about a hard flip is the foot placement. So your front foot is going to go at an angle with your heel hanging off a little bit. Just look at that angle carefully. That's really important. I used to do them with my foot straight forward, and that worked as well, but lately I felt more comfortable doing them with my foot at a slight angle. It's just easier to stay balanced on the board. It's harder when you have your foot just facing forward. So the back foot is going to go right on the middle of the tail. You're going to pop really hard with your back foot. So you're going to pop straight down like an Ollie. You don't necessarily have to scoop with this trick. It's actually harder for me if I do scoop. The front foot is kicking the board back behind you and flipping the board. So all the work is actually in the front foot. That's the way I've been doing it lately. Let's see if it works. So I'm going to show you some in slow motion so you can really see what's happening. You can watch how that front foot is doing all the work, and my feet just have to get out of the way and let it do what it wants to do. It kind of goes between your legs. You have to give it space to do that. The hardest part of this trick is getting your front foot out of the way. You gotta give it a really quick flick and just let it go. So you just hover over the board, feet over the bolts, put them on, roll away. So I know that was really quick. Whenever the snow melts outside and I can actually skate outside, have a little bit more room, I'll do a more detailed video about how to do hard flips. I'll actually do some on my skateboard while rolling on ramps and stuff like that. I've got an old how to hard flip video, probably a couple on this channel. So if you look up my name and how to hard flip, there's definitely some more content out there. So check those out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.